Hey, what's up everyone? So, we're on our day 8 of our learning grade 1 kanji in Japan. So, to start it off, we have thread. Alright? Thread or ito. And ito stands for thread in English. And another example is itoguchi or thread end or clue. Alright? Second kanji for today is our kanji for ji or character, letter or word. Kanji, which means Chinese character. Moji, which means letter or alphabet or character or word. Third one, we have ear, and that's mimi. Alright? And then our examples for that is mimi moto, which is close to ear, and hatsu mimi, something heard for the first time. Alright, fourth one, we have our kanji for 7, shichigatsu, or July, and nanatsu, 7 or 7 things. Alright, let's go to our examples. So, example is 昨日7つの漢字を勉強しました。Yesterday, I studied 7 Chinese characters. Alright, second sentence would be 糸がいりますか? Which translates to, do you need yarn? Third sentence is 私の耳が痛いです. My ears hurt. Alright, so that's our day 8 for our learning grade 1 kanji in Japan. Hope you guys learned something today, and thank you for continuously watching. Alright, bye.